Hello, we're still at the PS's farm, and I don't often show different production systems, but I thought you might like to see some cows. So let's talk about cows, shall we? Specifically dairy and different production systems that you can use to get your cows producing milk. It all starts over here with Guatemala grass. I didn't know the name of this, but this is Guatemala grass in the distance. And that is what's being used to feed these cows. So this is a no graze or zero graze system. It's increasingly popular in parts of Africa now, I find. And so you can see the cows, they won't leave this enclosure very much for grazing. So often with dairy, you would free range the cows, so they'll get out, they'll go and eat the grass wherever it is, and that's how they'll produce their milk. But this new system, which is very common in parts of Europe, especially in the States, relies on you bringing the food to the cows. So this, you can see here, these lads, they've got their, Pauson's chatting to them, they've cut the grass, put it in the back of the tuk-tuk, and then they'll sort of shred it, you can see, and they'll put it through this machine, and you get, sorry, you're getting the sunlight there, they'll put it chopped into bits through this machine, and then they'll feed the cows that. And then the other thing that they'll feed them is a mixture of, this is some maize bran here, so you're adding that, some classic hay, and then here, this is brewer's waste. So this is, it's basically maize or bran you might get in other parts of the world, and it smells of beer. It's fermented grain once the alcohol's been extracted, and what's left is quite nutritious, and so then that is given to these beauties until they're tagged. Looking at the camera, she probably thinks it's some food. So they're given the food here. You can see they've got access to food at all times, and then what you need to do as a staff person is you're just sweeping them down. You can see this guy here, he's rinsing it down. There's one urinating. They rinse it down, all the manure goes through the slats, that's their beds at the back there, the rubber, and there's running water, so it's just rinsing it down, cleaning it out every day, and then the manure will get put here, turned into some sort of compost. So it's quite, I mean, it's an interesting system. It's, I guess the convenience for a farmer is that you know where your cows are, you know how to milk them, and it's probably easier to go and get grass. You can also outsource it, so you could get someone you could pay, so he'll probably pay for the brewer's waste, pay for someone to collect the grass for you, and it just reduces the amount of jobs you've got to do. You don't have to worry about where your cows are, if they're sick, if they're being chased, if someone's going after them, all that you don't need to necessarily worry about. You're just focusing on making sure the feed's coming in, and your cows are just producing the milk that you need. They also can be a bit more productive because they aren't moving around. You can just focus on feeding them so they can produce more milk. I'm not sure I'm a huge believer in this system. I think that there's something to be said for cows going out to forage. It's lower input when you're doing that because you're not having to bring stuff in, you're not using fuel to go to process it. There's electricity here, costs, fuel costs, staffing costs. So it's very popular in Africa at the moment, but I'm not quite sure it should be totally the way forward. But it's interesting to see it being modelled here. There's some more brewer's waste over there. And then the other thing that they do here, actually, I should have mentioned, is that manure, of course, is very potent. So just here, there's actually a biogas installation. So what they'll do is they'll put it into a pit, and then the methane that comes up, which is also very bad for the environment, but you can pipe that off and actually burn it as fuel for cooking. So they will use that in the residence for cooking. So that's quite nice. I do like that. You doing that with manure, I think that's very sensible. So yeah, over to cows today. I hope you've enjoyed that. Bit different. Let's finish with some ducks, shall we? These ducks waddle away. But thanks for watching. As always, we appreciate your support on this channel, and we will see you on the next video.